Namaste. I, Chetna, literary captain of the school, welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 31st July 2021. First of all, this is for the information of all that our school is organizing blood donation camp in school premises tomorrow, that is on 1st August 2021. It is a request to all to come and actively participate in the camp and save a life. Now let's have a look on Panchang. So I would like to invite our Sanskrit teacher Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078, शक संवत 1943। आज श्रावण माह के कृष्ण पक्ष की अष्टमी तिथि है। आज का नक्षत्र अश्विनी, आज का योग शूल है। प्रविष्टे की यदि बात करें तो आज श्रावण माह के 16 प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह जिलहज की आज 20 तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to start prayer. So I would request you all to close your eyes and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra.
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
All classes be ready for prayer.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead.
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ Be ready for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Now, after prayer, I invite Praduman of class 8th A for the awareness on Munshi Premchandra. Namaste, Praduman.
Namaste. My name is Pradyum of class 8th A from Saint Vivekanand Millennium School. Today is 31st July, birthday of Dhanpat Rai Srivastava, better known by his pen name Munshi Premchand. He was an Indian writer famous for his modern Hindustani literature. He is one of the most celebrated writers of the Indian subcontinent and is regarded as one of the foremost Hindi writers of the early 20th century. Dhanpat Rai Srivastava was born on 31st July 1880 in Lamhi, a village located near Varanasi. As a child, Dhanpat Rai sought solace in fiction and developed a fascination for books in 1919. Premchand obtained a BA degree from Allahabad by 1921. He had been promoted to Deputy Inspectors of Schools. On 8th February 1921, he attended a meeting in Gorakhpur where Mahatma Gandhi asked people to resign from government jobs as part of the non-cooperation movement. Premchand, although physically unwell, decided with the consent of his wife to resign from his government job. He began writing under the pen name Nawab Rai, but subsequently switched to Premchand. Munshi being an honorary prefix, a novel writer, story writer, and dramatist. He has been referred to as the Upanyas Samrat by writers. His works include more than a dozen novels, around 300 short stories, several essays, and translations of a number of foreign literary works into Hindi. Premchand's novel Godan, considered to be one of the greatest Hindi novels. The Sahitya Academy introduced the Premchand Fellowships in 2005. He died on October 8, 1936. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Praduman. Now, I invite Sia Rohila of class 7th A to tell us about one of the famous mathematician, Brahmagupta. Namaste, Sia.
Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents and my dear friends, Namaste. Today I, Sia Rohila of class 7A of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore, is going to tell you about one of the ancient mathematicians, Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta was one of the famous Indian mathematician and astronomer. He was the first mathematician who described the zero and negative numbers. He wrote two main books on mathematics and astronomy in the Sanskrit language. Such a great mathematician was born in 598 CE in Bhinmal, the Indian state of Rajasthan at present. The king Vyagramukh was the ruler of Bhinmal and made Brahmagupta as the head of astronomical observatory in Ujjain. In those days, the Ujjain was the destination to all the mathematicians and astronomers. He contributed a lot to the mathematics, and still his theories are used to solve the mathematical problems. In his book, he discussed the negative and positive numbers and their multiplication. He also discovered a positive number multiplied by a negative number is negative. A negative number multiplied by a negative number is positive, and other two principles of these positive and negative multiplications. He also explained the geometrical theories which are similar to the Pythagorean theorem. He also introduced the principles and rules of trigonometry and also a principle to know the area of a triangle. He widely discussed the concept of negative numbers. He founded the value of pi and introduced the formula of cyclic quadrilaterals. This great mathematician died between 660 and 670 CE. He was one of the greatest mathematicians in Indian history, and his contributions to mathematics and science have made major differences to various mathematical problems by establishing the basic rules which now allow us to find their solutions. He was honored by the title given to him by a fellow scientist, Ganita Chakra Chudamani, which is translated as the gem of the circle of mathematicians. Thank you.
Thank you, Sia. Now, I invite Radhika of class 7th A to share the word of the day with us. Namaste, Radhika.
Namaste. My name is Radhika. I read in class 7B in St. Vivekanand Millennium School. Today's word is dispel. Its meaning is to take away or disappear something, feeling, belief, or doubt. Its synonyms are scatter and break up. Its antonyms are collect and gather. For example, nowadays Google has become a vital medium to dispel any doubt. Thank you.
Thank you, Radhika. This is for the information of all that our school is organizing blood donation camp in school premises tomorrow, that is on 1st August 2021. It is a request to all to come and actively participate in the camp and save a life. That's all for today's assembly. Stay happy and healthy. Namaste.